And welcome everybody. So we are live on YouTube. So welcome. Today we're going to talk about the third power, what the third power means to athletes, what it means to you as an individual buying athletic gears. So we're going to talk about that today, and we're going to also talk about what the third power can become and the vision we have of the third power. So, welcome to another show. It's another show where we're gonna test some things out for the next week's big opening. So today is just a test show, so we can see if everything works. We're gonna start talking about the third power, like I mentioned, and what it means to anybody that is into fitness, into is a sneakerhead, and is a gamer. So again, welcome. You can join the third power by scanning the QR code here in the left corner, and you'll be taken to a page where a website where the third power is explained in details. And if you want to be an early adopter, I highly suggest that you do so and you join us. You're going to get all kinds of amazing perks, all kinds of amazing freebies, and you are going to be at the forefront of technology by being a member of the third power and actively helping develop this technology. So, without further ado, I'd like to present to you the third power. I'll share my no. So we're going to talk about what the third power means to an athlete. So the vision we have of the third power is that um, in the future, in complementary to having pro sports, there is going to be the third power competition, a worldwide competition where people are going to compete against one another for amazing prizes like houses, cars, money. So these athletes that are going to compete against one another and are going to be successful, they are going to make as much money as pro athletes make right now, or even more. And they are going to become a worldwide phenomenon and stars in the sports industry, in more precisely in the third power with FlyCube and Aquan. Also, FlyCube and Aquan, right now, what we're doing is we're calling it the $1 billion Sports Brand Challenge. Um, we're looking for people like you that are going to bet or are going to predict which of the two companies is going to reach $1 billion first. And you are going to be able to um, place your bet or pick one of the two brands, and we are going to have a competition, and the people who are going to pick the right brand are going to be able to enter a draw and win amazing prizes. We're looking, this is not official in any sense, but we're looking to give out close to $1 million in prizes. That means clothing, shoes, all kinds of VIP events, sponsorship. We're looking to give out close to $1 million to the person who's going to win the draw, who is going to have picked out the right brand, who is going to reach $1 billion in sales first. So yeah, that's one of the things we're working on. Also, the third power. So basically, the third power is, like I mentioned in the last live, it's a gaming platform, but a real life immersive training video game. So basically, you are going to be able to choose the sport you want to engage in, let's say on a daily basis. It could be different sports on different days, and you are going to have scores and also your data. So your all the data that is going to be accumulated by your smart gears, uh, they are going to come in. They are going to come in your score on the score leaderboard scoreboard. So basically, the more you're fit, the more you're in shape, the more you can perform. Well, the higher you're going to be on the leaderboard, and the more you're going to win. So we think that this kind of competition is the future of athleticism, and we believe also that it's the future of athletic apparels, because there are a lot of people that train on a daily basis, but they have no recognition. And we think that these are the real heroes, not the Messi or I don't know, McDavid, all those NHL stars or soccer stars. These are not the real heroes. The real heroes is someone doing it for the love of the sport, waking up every morning, going out to train and perform, and be diligent about that, have a routine, and be determined to reach their goals. These are the real heroes. These are the people we want to acknowledge, that we want to put at the forefront. We don't want to be the next Nike. We don't want to be the next Adidas, giving out millions of dollars to pro athletes just to sell you shoes. No, we want to put you at the forefront. We want to give you money and prizes, and we want you to be celebrated. That's what we want. I think with technology now, it is possible to do what we want, and that is our aim with the third power. So also, we are going to have the third power. You can become a affiliate marketer. Give me a second. I'm just going to go close the. Sorry about that. This is the inconvenience of being live. So, yeah, as I was saying, we want you to be celebrated. You're the heroes of the story, not the superstar athlete who makes millions. And no, that's not right. So, with technology, like I was saying, it is possible to achieve what we aim to achieve. I'm the one who invented the Miro Smart Web. Let me talk to you a bit about that. So the Miro Smart Web is exactly what it says. It's a smart web. So it's a decentralized web that you install on your computer, and your computer becomes a server, a home server. It becomes a node in the network, and it can communicate directly to other nodes on the network without having to go through a central server. So why is it any good? So right now, the way the internet is set up, it's a centralized system. So there's a few huge data centers with thousands, if not millions, of servers, and that's how the internet runs. Well, the smart web is a decentralized platform. So basically, there are going to be super nodes in dispersed all over the world, and these super nodes are going to keep the Miro Smart Web, Miro Smart Web connected. And but you don't need the super node. Just having, let's say, 1,000 people downloading the Miro Smart Web, you can have a network running, and it could do amazing things. And but I'm working on creating another live that I'm gonna go live twice a week, and we're gonna talk more about the Miro Smart Web, and we're looking to make connections with industry leaders who are willing to come on the Miro Smart Web Live and talk about how decentralization is the key to the future. And we're looking, but see that the philosophy behind the Miro Smart Web is not just having me, who invented the Miro Smart Web, become like, let's say, an Elon Musk or these guys. That's not my goal. I don't have such an ego. I'm looking to share the wealth. I'm looking to build a community so people help each other. And our device is no one left behind. So we're looking, my goal, my ultimate goal, my ultimate dream would be to eradicate poverty through technology. And we need a lot of people who are software engineer, who are programmers, database engineer, database administrator. We're going to need your help. We need also lawyers. We need accountant. And our slogan for the Miro Smart Web is share the wealth. So, like it says, we're going to share the wealth. We're looking to make a million multi-millionaires instead of having one multi-billionaire. So if what I'm saying resonates with you, if you have any competencies in software engineering, if being part of a community that wants to do good in the world, that wants to come together and tell our politicians that they are not the representation that we want in the world. They are not doing what we want. Right now there are wars in Ukraine, in the Palestine is being bombarded, and that's not what we want. Just a few at the top deciding to invade a country and to kill people, kill thousands of people, if not millions. Well, join me if that you think it's crazy. If you think uh, most people who are normal just want to live a normal life, a peaceful life, and these politicians they are not representing what we want, what the majority wants. So it's time to come together. And before there was no technology, and no one was willing to give out his technology to the greater good. Well, I might be the first one, but that's what I want to do. I'm looking to share the wealth with you so that we can create a community, a strong community of people, of like minded individuals who are going to come together and who are going to change things, who are going to make a difference, and no one's going to be left behind. So let's get back to the third power. Also, you can become, like I said before, you can become an affiliate of the third power and make amazing revenues. It could change your life if you are committed to helping us make this platform a reality. But I believe I said so in the last live that I did. One thing's for sure, we are at the first stage of this platform. So the first phase of the development of the third power is to get our two brands. So the first phase is the $1 billion sports brand challenge. That is the first phase. And if you believe in our brands, next live I'm gonna have a few product shots to show you. If you believe in our products and in our brands, then I ask you to commit yourself and to vote for one of the brands to determine which one is going to reach the $1 billion status. We're looking to compete against Gymshark, Nike, Adidas, Under Armour, Puma, and we believe we have the brands to do so. Both our brands are stylized wings. So how cool is that, having wings on our shoes? How cool is that? And we believe we can make the $1 billion status in within a few years with your help, with your commitment, and with your participation as an affiliate marketer. So we look forward to connecting with you on all the platforms. And we, for the first few months, we are going to do about 2 lives a week. So basically, Wednesday and Friday. Then we are gonna bump this up to 3 lives, then 5 lives, and we're looking to reach 6 lives, live shows every week, talking about the third power, having people come on the show and interact with us. We're gonna give away all kinds of freebies, free stuff, free shoes, free clothing, and it's going to be a big happening every night. We're going to talk about what the future holds for the sport industry, and we are going to make a difference. And if you help us develop the third power, well, you're also funding the development of the Miro Smart Web, which is going to change the game completely. Um, you know, there are people like Mark Zuckerberg who stole the ideas of people to get rich. That's not something we endorse. We're looking to do the opposite. We're looking to take our technology and make you participate in it, and making you a integral part of the development of the Miro Smart Web and the third power with FlyCube and Hawk1. Without you, there is no Miro Smart Web, and you are not going to be the product like Facebook. We're not going to use you. You can always decide to keep your data safe and secure and uh, anonymous. So I think what we offer in terms of technology stack and in terms of vision is at the forefront of what the future holds. The future, do you want a few billionaires? Uh, uh, how can I say it? A few billionaires dictating what we should do and how we should do things online, or we want a community that's going to dictate our politician and the world what we want as a community. I mean, enough is enough. Like I said before, wars, uh, inflation, and all kinds of decisions that we are we are imposed upon, and that we did not decide. Well, I believe my best friend Julio Di Serio said it best to me. He said there should be direct democracy, and that's what we're looking to implement: direct democracy with Miro Smart Web. Direct democracy means for every decision, you decide what we're going to do as a community. So I think we're there. I think it's time. So I invite you to join the Third Power Brotherhood. We're working on the website for the Miro Smart Web, and you're going to be able to join also and be an integral part of the development of this technology. But you are important. We need you. We need you to come on board. Tell us what you think. Give us your advice, because we take all advice very seriously. You are going to be able to participate in the chat once we go live. Maybe not next week. It might take a little longer, but you are going to be able to tell us what you think, and we are going to take your advice very, very seriously, because we're doing this for you. So basically, everything we're doing, it's to make your lives better, to make the lives of athletes better, and to make things more fair for everybody, because right now it's not fair. Uh, Governments are terrible. So that's it for tonight. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Which is going to be Friday. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one.